Hello, I am Esther. It is known that, as all the form of art, cuisine is in constant evolution. Today I'm going to cook what I think it is an old version of vitello tonnato. Now it is made with a sauce made with mayonnaise and tuna. The version I'm going to do is very different. This is how my mother and I guess my grandmother used to do it. Vitello tonnato means veal in tuna sauce, but I'm not going to use veal because I think that beef is more tasty and juicy. The ingredients are 4 potatoes, some celery, 2 carrots, an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, black pepper, some cloves and salt. This is beef chunk and it weighs almost 1 kilo. Put the cloves into the onion as in the picture. We have to make a stock with all the vegetables in water and salt, and we have to bring it to boil before adding the meat. Now we have to let it cook for 2 hours until the meat is very tender. When the meat is well done, remove it with the vegetables from the stock and let it all cool down. To make the sauce, we will use 2 of the potatoes we cooked with the meat, a little piece of carrot, a jar of tuna in olive oil, it's about 250 grams, some vinegar, some salt, some of the stock we made with the meat, and 2 cucumber pickle. All we have to do is to mix all together. I use the oil of the tuna because it is tasty, and I use some of the stock to make the sauce creamy. Remember that you always have to taste what you are cooking because there are no rules on how much ingredients you have to use. It all depends on your taste. If you need more salt, add salt. If you need more stock, add stock or vinegar or whatever you prefer. When the taste suits you, it is ready. I forgot to mention the pepper in the ingredients, but we know that pepper is good everywhere. The meat has to be very cold because we have to cut it as thin as we can. All we have to do now is to alternate layers of sauce and layers of meat until we finish all the ingredients. Remember, we have to finish with the layer of sauce. This is a summer dish, so it's best if you eat it very cool. I suggest you to prepare it the day before and let it rest in the refrigerator overnight. I use a cucumber and 2 pieces of carrots as a decoration. With the remaining vegetables, I made a salad, and with the stock, I will make a risotto next time. Enjoy it! Goodbye!